Yeskicks, Yeskicks.cn. You know what time it is. Got a little unboxing. Authentic. Hare sixes. Got some flaws that I'm not happy with, but at the same time, I'm gonna make the best out of it. Or I might just sell them. Everything on point. The eyeglasses. Color in the eyeglasses. Jordan. Jumpman ain't too bent out of shape. These authentic. I ain't gonna lie, sometimes authentic be depressed, just be letting me down, man. Got the Jumpman with the air in the back. I saw the authentics at the mall. I already know he supposed to be a little fatter. I'm not even mad with the little skinny ass rookie Jumpman on here. You know, it's alright. But I know it's more stitching to it. It's more fatness. He a little bolder, as I say. Not fat, but bolder. He a little more bolder on the back. But, I mean, it's all there. I ain't hurting on me. I ain't need better than get shot playing me. So, anyway, Jumpman in the middle, he straight. The color, 3M on it, hidden. The color good. Toe box ain't that bad. It's straight, you know. The shoes ain't bad. Toe box alright. Got that soft plush little buttery. Got that buttery distress leather. It ain't tumbler, it's distressed buttery though. It's soft. Like it's soft. You know how these Jordans sometimes sway, sometimes new buck. 3M look good on them. Back, his ass thin. I wish I can thicken his ass up, but he a little thin though. More stitching, I mean he thin back there. You know, I'm just doing this review. Authentic, watch what you buy. You get a hit, you get a miss, it's all good. Cause I'm still getting shit out the mall too, so this just, you know, when I get online and play with the damn online shit. But I do this shit. Yeskicks. They hook me up. I mean, shoe ain't bad. It's not a bad shoe. Got your carrot. Got the authentic stamp of approved. Colors and shit. Kinda. It could have had some more shit going on with it. They said, Yeskicks, y'all alright, but y'all need to do a little more better with the authentics. Like, y'all coming like Super Max. Shit. Paper good, I guess. I don't give a shit. I'm tired of this fake ass StockX. Let me tell y'all, when y'all get StockX, y'all know goddamn well if you didn't get it from StockX, it's 9 times out of 10 it can be foo-foo. Like I said, I spent too much money on these, but they alright. I ain't saying they. I done seen them at the mall. They look just like the junks at the mall, except that Jumpman ain't bad. But yeah, they kind of favor the mall junks. It just if he was a little more thicker. They got my guy a little too thin in the back. I don't know, cause the shoe size smaller, but I saw at the mall. I saw a bigger size. He was way bolder. Then hold up. Just know my son been copped. Son copped them when they first dropped. See, my son got them. Jumpman ain't bad. Jumpman in the middle ain't bad, I must say. What y'all think? I mean, these came from the store now. You can see a little difference in the tongue, a little bit. My son's got a little more. Yeah, he got a little more flair into his. It's like that red got a little more flair in it. But then again, my red don't look bad, but you can see it. His, man, my fans, man, dirty as hell from work. His junk does have a little more glare into it. Well, we know the kids bottom different. Kids ain't got 3 on the adult sizes, so they ain't got the air bubble neither. Said they good to go, I just wish my man was a little more bolder. He little on my kid, little boy, cause I mean it's a kid shoe. Boy, you can tell that mall quality. You can tell that mall quality. But hey, I don't give a shit though. Like I said, I'm a Memphis nigga. We don't get no fuck. We gonna rock this shit and buy some more of this shit and keep on buying this shit. So sign on out. C dot. Like, subscribe, do whatever the fuck you feel, but you come disrespect me. Best believe I'ma disrespect you. You buck me, I buck you. I'm a street nigga. That's how we rock. I don't tolerate the bullshit. Never been bullied. Cause I already told if a nigga wanted to bully me, you gon' die today. And I don't do no saying you can die. Nah, nigga. You actually can die. I don't play. I kill you, nigga. I don't get no fuck. So, like I just said, Memphis shit, street shit. Why go take a risk when niggas send your bitch? Get it? Yeskicks. They did their thing, They tried. But they gotta up that authentic. They gotta find somewhere to get these shoes together with the quality that they showing us on the site. Like the shoe good, but this shit that come that we don't be feeling. Like, hey, don't do it like that. We sending money now. Better this quality is a so-called authentic, cause you can have us thinking we getting super max and we ain't feeling it. I swear we ain't. Come on, Yeskicks now. Shit, do what's right. Do what's right now. I like the shoes now. I really like my shoes. Don't get me wrong. I'm gonna rock these hoes. You best believe these hoes getting rocked. I just need to come on down with this authentic. Keep this authentic right. You know, we don't want to go nowhere. We want to stay on the same site. Just get this authentic right. Sign on out. C dot.